Dropshipping is an e-commerce business model where you sell products without holding inventory. Instead, when a customer places an order, you purchase the item from a supplier who ships it directly to the customer. This minimizes risk and upfront costs. How to start dropshipping as a beginner. 1. Choose a niche. Pick a product category that has demand but isn't oversaturated. Consider trending products, unique items, or niche markets. Two, find a supplier. Reliable suppliers are key to success. Common platforms include AliExpress via Oberlo or DSers, CJ Dropshipping, Zendrop, SaleWho. 3. Set up your online store. You need an e-commerce platform to list products and process sales. Popular options include Shopify, most beginner-friendly. WooCommerce for WordPress users. Wix e-commerce. BigCommerce. 4. Import products and set prices. Use apps like Oberlo for Shopify or Ali Dropship for WooCommerce to add products to your store with one click. Set a price that covers costs while keeping you competitive. Five, market your store. Social media ads. Use Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok ads. SEO and blogging. Rank on Google by writing useful content. Influencer marketing. Partner with social media influencers. Email marketing, build a list and send promotions. 6. Process orders and provide customer service. Once a customer buys a product, place an order with your supplier and provide tracking details. Offer good support to build trust. 7. Optimize and scale. Analyze what products sell best and remove poor performers. Test different marketing strategies. Consider expanding to multiple suppliers or marketplaces, Amazon, eBay. Pros and cons of dropshipping. Pros: low startup costs, no need for inventory or warehouse space, wide product selection, scalable business model. Cons: lower profit margins than wholesale, supplier issues, shipping times, stock availability, high competition, customer service challenges. Would you like help choosing a niche or setting up your store?